Retailers, you know your hot zones. But what about the blind spots, the cold, underutilized space that quietly erodes your store's performance? Introducing Uplift Store by Mapsted, the physical AI that transforms those cold zones into revenue drivers, completely privacy first, with no cameras or facial recognition. We don't just show you where shoppers go, we diagnose why zones fail. Our AI tracks traffic, dwell time, and friction points, then gives you specific, revenue-focused recommendations on exactly what to move and where. Stop guessing. Fix visibility failures and improve category adjacency based on real behavior. Turn ignored aisles into bustling hubs and see a measurable uplift in engagement. Take your retail space to new heights with Uplift Store by Mapsted. Visit mapsted.com today to learn more